Alright, let's today we do music and movement in imitate 10 sounds similar to nursery rhymes. Let's go!
The dog goes woof, 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 woof. The cow goes moo, 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 moo. The duck goes quack, 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 quack. And the owl says tweet, tweet. The cat goes meow, meow, meow. The bird goes tweet, 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 tweet. The pig goes oink, 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 oink. And the little mouse says squeak, 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 squeak. These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds that the animals make. The horse goes neigh, neigh, neigh. The sheep goes baa, 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 baa. The rabbit goes thump, thumpity thump. And the people they say blah, 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 blah. These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds that the animals make.
Reason for doing this activity is to encourage motor planning, which is when child try to sound the word, actually they try to plan their tongue. They plan their tongue to sound the words. That will encourage their motor planning in using their tongue. Alright. Next reason is develop listener responding, because when they listen to the music, they listen to the sound of each of the animals. That will make the listener responding listen and they respond to the uh, sound, to the pronouns. The third reason is they support child body movement, which is when they do this activity, their body will move together. For example, they make the sound of the duck, then we make the movement for duck. That will support their body movement at the same time.